Have you ever experienced this? You hand over a product idea and budget to a supplier. It turns out to be a black box you can't see at all. You can see what goes in, your money, your design, your requirements, and you can see what comes out, the final product, or a pile of problems. But what happens in between? How is the quote calculated? Is the factory reliable? What's the real production progress? You are left in the dark. This uncertainty is why most brand finders feel anxious. At IFBrand Sourcing, it is believed that trust is built on transparency. Today, I will unpack this black box for you, and our complete process from your idea to deliver product will be fully revealed. 1. Product requirement proposal. You share your needs. We schedule an online meeting or call to discuss about our planning and further execution. 2. Pre-sourcing and market research. Pre-sourcing is initiated with market research and supply chain analysis conducted to ensure precise direction. 3. First in-depth discussion. Based on the output survey report, a detailed discussion is held with you to align on product direction and feasibility. 4. Deep sourcing and quote comparison. Thorough sourcing is conducted. Quotes are obtained from multiple trusted suppliers and compared comprehensively to secure the best option. 5. Sample development and approval. Sample making is coordinated with factories. Sample undergo multiple rounds of testing to ensure your expectations and quality standards are approved. 6. Order confirmation and follow-up. After order confirmation, the entire production process is closely monitored, ensuring full transparency and control at every step. 7. Quality control, QC. The strict QC procedures are executed from IQC, DPI, and PSI with inspection reports submitted to you for the goal of qualified and timely delivery. 8. Delivery and logistics. Shipments are arranged only after quality is approved by you, with imports and exports credentials held by us. Smooth custom clearance and on-time delivery are ensured. Now it's clear this is not just a process, it's a commitment. We understand that your business is not a rigid production line, but a living, evolving organism. That's why we maintain rigorous procedures while staying flexible to adapt. More importantly, we charge a fixed commission, ensuring our interests are aligned with your long-term success. We don't maximize single order profits, but earn your trust as a long-term partner by optimizing costs and ensuring product excellence. All of this returns to our name, IFBrand Sourcing. We don't do simple yes or no, we explore every what if to find the best solution for your brand. You focus on your marketing, we integrate your idea, build a reliable supply chain, and make sure it lands perfectly. If your supply chain still feels like a worrying black box, visit our website for details or contact us directly to start a new transparent partnership journey.